thank you so much to everyone for being here today. It's such a great occasion to get together and collectively celebrate all that we've accomplished. It's a privilege to work with the high-quality nonprofit agencies that are in this community who provide such a high level of care and service to our citizens. Over the course of the last year, we finalized our strategic plan that outlines our goals through 2017. 5 strategic focus areas were identified and agreed upon by the community and our coordinated funding partners, and promise to be the key to our future. Now, I bet everybody here has a cell phone, and I bet everyone here could pick up their cell phones right now and show the person sitting next to you a picture of someone near and dear to your heart. That's my daughter. It could be a young child, it could be a teenager, a parent, or a best friend. And we know in our hearts that we would do anything for that person, simply anything. And that's how United Way works in our community. Our focus areas make sure that every child needs to be ready to succeed in kindergarten. Every teenager needs to graduate from high school. Every friend deserves a roof over their head and medical care when they need it. Every elderly person deserves the chance to age in place. And every picture on your phone, every person, including your selfies, deserves to eat every day. Remember those faces in your phone, and you'll remember our key focus areas. My vision for United Way now and in the future is to be ready and to be here every single day to help those people in need. Those kids, those friends, those family members. And with your help, we can really do it. And that's why we incorporated distinct, measurable goals and outcomes into our future. We know that we can move the needle, and we want to be able to share that progress with you. So we bring people together every day. We ask them to give, we ask them to advocate, and we ask them to volunteer. Our operations are efficient and effective, and we provide the catalyst for effective community impact. I'm excited also to tell you about another part of our future. It's a new volunteer center. It's a virtual online center that will help bring together willing volunteers and the agencies that need the help. I learned recently that Washtenaw County is the only metro area in the state of Michigan without a volunteer center, and our strategic plan addresses this gap. We expect to launch the Volunteer Center by the end of summer. It's just yet another way that United Way is building a stronger, vibrant future for every person living in Washtenaw County. So the review of the strategic plan are on the single-page sheets that are on your table. We want you to be able to take them with you. The full strategic plan, all 14 or 15 pages of it, is, of course, available for you to review, and it's available on request. Just let me know. And I've also been asked to share that the entire annual report will be available next week online as well. Today, as a change agent, I'm asking you to join me making our vision a reality for Washtenaw County. Help me make this United Way, whose vision aspires to become the agency that can achieve measurable community impact, that creates positive and significant lasting change. We know through dozens of community conversations with stakeholders that we have an inspired, strategically sound plan, and it outlines our preferred future. Our relationships are built on trust. Our donors have put over $200 million into this community over the past 92 years. We've documented the need in this community, we've shared the data on our community data portal online, and we've communicated with transparency and conviction that local dollars are changing local lives. I am excited for our future. We have a clearly defined path with a sharp focus on measurable outcomes that move the needle in the distinct 5 focus areas. We're going to be here for the next 92 years for those people in your phones and in your pictures and photographs. And we know that we can't do it alone. Donors, agency partners, health and human service providers, and our volunteers are combining forces to become the change agents that we need to make a difference. So let's move forward together. And let's move forward now to recognize just some of the people in this room that have made it happen for us and for our community in this past year.